The Midea 12,000 BTU Smart AC features a unique U-shaped design that allows you to open or close your window while the unit is installed, providing flexibility and fresh air. This air conditioner operates with ultra-low noise and vibration, making it 9 times quieter than traditional units, thanks to its highly efficient inverter system. With advanced DC inverter technology, the Midea U achieves over 35% energy savings compared to other traditional units, making it an energy-efficient choice. You can control the Midea U Smart Inverter AC from anywhere using the MSmartHome app on iOS or Android, and it also supports voice commands through Alexa or Google Assistant. The robust installation process is simplified with the included Quick Snap bracket, allowing you to set up the unit easily and securely in single-hung or double-hung windows. This model also features an anti-theft mechanism that locks the window when closed, ensuring added safety and peace of mind for your home.